Welcome to this video tutorial of B2B Order Processing Portal, the great online jewelry ordering system, designed and brought to you by Chain & Chains Jewels Limited. This tutorial consists of 4 major steps. Step 1. Search product by categories, design name, ID, tag, etc. You can also search by weight and length. Step 2. Select one or multiple required items and add to shopping cart. Step 3. Open cart page and modify required weight, length, and quantity of each item. Step 4. Verify total weight and confirm your order. Now let's start the actual task. Open any browser on your computer and open website, orders.cncjewels.com. On login page, please enter your username and password and login. After successful login, you will be on dashboard with basic information about your account profile. You can navigate software with menu at left side column and on top bar. In left side menu, you will find links for dashboard, advanced search, and order history. At top, you will find top menu with links for shopping cart, support, or quick guide and logout. In quick guide you will find various tutorials to understand and easily use this application. Now let's start creating an order. In dashboard search section, you can search product by categories, shape, weight, and length. At right side you can search product by name or design code. Select any category and press search. On search results page, you will find all the products under one category. You can also go to advanced search page, where you can shortlist the search with different parameters like multiple categories, shape, weight, and height. Now let us search for a particular product, for example, a product named Nawabi. As soon as you start typing the word in search box, you will get drop down with shortlisted items. The list consists of exact product which will be available to select. Just select it and press Go button. Now the product is available to view with its vital information. On results page, you can select your desired item by selecting checkbox below each product image. Select as many products as you may wish to order and press Add to Cart button. Now you can go to cart page by selecting shopping cart link in top menu or open cart button above product list. In cart page, you will need to select product purity required by you from available option. For example, let us select 22 karat. Now you can change quantity, length, and weight of each product item in the list. You can also press Update Totals button to recalculate the total weight of each product based on selected quantity, length, etc. Once you are satisfied with list of items in shopping cart and total weight in grams, and you are ready to confirm, then by pressing Confirm Order button you can send your order to us. After confirming order, you will receive an email with your list of ordered items. Our order team will process your request as soon as possible, and if required they may also call you for any further details or special instructions from you about making the product. The products will be delivered to you as earliest as possible by our orders department. Thank you.